My first step is to organize the data. The mode is going to be 100 because that occurs 3 times, and that's the most often. There are 6 data values, so the median is going to be the average of the middle 2, and that is 95. And then for the mean, we want to add up all of our numbers and divide by 6. And if we do this, we get 81.6 repeating, and unless otherwise stated, we always want to round the mean to 1 decimal place past the original data. So all of these are whole numbers, so we want to round our mean to the tenths.